So before I make this phone call, I just found out that the car I just bought has $6,000 worth of repairs needed for it. I bought it for $8,600. It was advertised as $8,600, but they sold it to me for $9,600. In fact, I luckily still have a picture of the Facebook post here, and let's see here, where is it? So figure I was a little unprepared for this video. Actually, you know what? I sent it to my dad. I was a little unprepared. I don't know if the camera can see it, but right there, 8,600. It's a little out of focus. That's the car I bought. When I go to my title, that's 9,600. 650 actually. The tax for 627, but that shouldn't be part of the purchase price. So there's that. Yeah, we'll hop right on your purchases. So backstory. On top of it, I had both tires in the car, which I kind of overlooked. $600 for tires. So I've had the car. When did I buy it? 7/22. It's 8/7. 2020. 7/22/2020. 8/7/2020. In that time, I bought tires for it. Dropped $600. I got my loan paper, and my first payment is due on the 24th. About 2 weeks from there. I just got my title last weekend. I still have temp tags on the car. And so, you know, my check engine light would pop on, you know, if you got a little aggressive with it. And eventually it got worse. And when I drove down to Dover the last time, as I was driving down the road, ding, 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 kept popping the check engine light. So I called probably 2 weeks ago, actually. Took them about 2 weeks to get me in. And it's a Nissan dealer. They looked at it, couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. So they said they had to send it to the other dealer, which is a Ford dealer. I guess they work on Dodges. I don't know. They took them, they had it Monday. Well, had an issue because I asked them about the warranty, because the warranty has to be covered by in-house at Nissan. Mechanic said he didn't know. I called my salesman. He said, no, it has to be done there at that dealership. So I had to deal with that. Guy was not real helpful. He was a piece of shit. Ended up having to talk to the sales manager, and he said, no, we cover it as long as we send it over there. So that was cool. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, call, leave messages, nothing. Well, I take it back. Tuesday and Wednesday, I called, left messages, nothing. Finally, I got a hold of someone Thursday, talked to him a little bit, said maybe we'll get you in Friday today, 8/7. So ended up getting a phone call, and here is the cam worn out. It's defected in Dodge. I've worn out the camshaft, and cylinder 5 is blown, no compression. And the estimate was $6,000 to repair it. That's where I'm at now. Now I've called them twice trying to talk to the sales manager. Both times when I leave a message. So this is my final time calling. I'm picking up the car and probably shopping for a lawyer. Because I don't care what you say. You give me a 90-day warranty. You sure as hell ain't going to sell a car to someone that you paying double for the fucking car. That's what this is. On top of it, I have them fix it. They're going to make a profit off my repair. I don't care if it's 20% off. So that's where we're at now. I gotta turn Wi-Fi off. My Wi-Fi likes to cut out on me.
Thank you for calling Park Way Nissan.
Yeah, can I talk to the sales manager, please?
1 minute. This Park, may I help you?
Yeah, this is Michael Hatch. I bought that Dodge Charger from you guys a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
And I've only driven it probably, I don't know, less than 500 miles. And I just found out that it requires $6,000 worth of repairs to it. It's basically got a blown motor to it.
So what they diagnose? What's it going to be?
The camshaft is shot in it. They have to replace the cam and the whole top end has to be rebuilt. And I only driven it.
$6 grand to replace the top end of a motor?
That's what they told me.
That sounds awful high to me, but
That's what your dealer told me. It's they had it
did you replace a used engine by chance?
No. This is all from your guys' shop. I had it down there in Nissan, and they'd sent it down to the Ford shop. Damn near the whole fucking car price. I mean, that's not cool at all. This is like next level fisting I just got. I don't even have license plates yet. I just now got my title, and then I found out you guys charged me an extra $1,000 for the car. You guys freaking had it on Facebook for $86. And I found out you charged me $96. So
yes, I don't know what you paid for the car. I wasn't here when you bought them. I was on vacation when those cars sold.
Well, all I know is right now it's down there at the other dealer you guys have, the Ford or Dodge, whatever it is you guys sent it to. And they're telling me it requires $6,000 worth of repairs. And I said, well, relay that to the Nissan dealer. And now here we are. That's why I'm calling. Because this is ridiculous. I mean,
yeah,
I don't even know what to say.
The warranty applies to the car. You get 20% off. I'd suggest see if we can find a pre-owned motor that's not $6,000 to rebuild what's in there. And try to find a pre-owned one that, you know.
So I have to facilitate a motor? Like your shop you sent it to is the one that was doing the repairs. They're telling me $6 grand. Shouldn't they be the ones figuring that out?
Well, did we send it down there to get a
Yes.
diagnosis for you? They're telling you $6,000.
Yes.
You know, that's typically up to you. We would pay $1,200. You would pay the difference if you want to go that route, or if you want to look into pre-owned motors and get what they would charge you to do that, then we would still pay the 20%. So I'm getting that we can find a motor for $3 grand to get installed. You know, it'd be 20% off of that, and the rest is on you. That's a warranty on the car, 20% off parts and labor.
Okay. All right. Let me call and let me think over my next options.
Okay. Yep. Just tell them, let us know what they want to do.
All right.
All
Okay.
right. Yep. Thanks. Bye.
All right. This is what I deal with.
Thank you for calling Parkway Auto Superstore. Please listen closely as our menu options have changed. If you
Unbelievable. Why am I going to have them do the work?
You've reached Phil Miller in the service department at Parkway Superstore. I'm currently unavailable to take your call.
I think they're getting sued.
Thank you for calling Parkway Auto.
You've reached Phil Miller in the service department at Parkway Superstore. I'm currently unavailable to take your call at this time. Please leave your name and number, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day.
This is Michael Hatch. I'm coming down to pick up my charger. Can't get a hold of anybody, so. Alright.
Thank you for calling.
Service, this is Phil. Can I help you?
Yeah, this is Michael Hatch. Hey, am I able to pick up my charger today? I'm not going to be able to afford repairs on it.
Let me check here. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Give me 1 second here, okay?
Alright.
Thank you. Thank you for calling Parkway Superstore. Conveniently located at 311 Commercial Parkway in Dover, Ohio. Just take exit 83 off I-77. Turn right onto Commercial Parkway, and our dealership is on the left. Our mission at Parkway is to provide the surrender with quality new and pre-owned vehicles at locations. Our knowledgeable staff at Parkway has built a faith by standing by every vehicle we sell. To find out more, go to the new ParkwaySuperstore.com. Your call is important to us. One of our staff will be right with you. At Parkway, you'll find a large selection of new and pre-owned vehicles with the knowledge, service, and parts that only Parkway can offer. The Parkway Superstore is staffed by professionals. General Manager Tim McCarthy, Ford Sales Manager